Hello guys, it's Blackmask and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw perspective. Though I posted a video just like this, but that one is a little updated. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make perspective, how to draw perspective the real way. As an animator, one thing you should put in mind, one thing you don't want is to stress yourself over. Don't stress yourself, that's just it. Now, first of all the things you need in perspective, the main stuff you need in perspective is the horizon line. Second most important is the vanishing point. And the third most important are the lines that converge from the vanishing points. And the rest is easy peasy. You can see me outlining the straight lines. Just allow them to follow the same grid, the perspective grid. All your lines are to follow it, not go out of it. They should follow your grid in order to get a perfect perspective. That's just facts. It's been there since generations and generations to come. It ain't gonna change. You guys will see what I mean. As of now, I'm just putting in the lines together, allowing each one to follow the lines. Ones which ain't following, I'm gonna make them follow it. Now I put a grid for the ground, the floor grid. If you want to learn how to do all this stuff in a slower video, or if you want to watch this, you want it to be slower, you can easily click on YouTube that setting button and just, go to playback speed and just reduce it, and maybe you might gain more from it. I don't know. But the most important thing in this video is you subscribing to my page, subscribing to my channel, I mean to say, because your subscription is my daily fee. You can't just be doing all the stuff on YouTube and expect to just be smiling all the time. I only smile when I have new subscribers. It's a blessing. So if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and you can leave a like, share, comment, whatever. But the most important is subscribe to my channel. So if you've already done that, you can continue the video. Just keep on enjoying yourself. So pretty much now, I just put the door in. But if you want the full video, like where I'll paint this bad boy up, you can just write in the comment, I want to see the full video. And stuff's gonna be posted. So when I post it, your own payment is to bring new subscribers. Share to your family, share to your friends. I don't care who you share them to, as long as they subscribe. I'm more than happy to be your friend. That's just the basics, folks. So as of now, just enjoy yourself and just observe and learn. Facts. But one most important thing is that you need to practice. You need to keep on practicing. Though people say don't practice all the time, most people are there in YouTube who post videos like that and you believe them. Yeah, sorry, but as an animator or as an upcoming artist, you have to practice. If you can practice every day, good. If you can practice every week, good, which is pretty much every day, okay. If you can practice for only 2 days in a week, good. If you practice once in a week, good. Just make sure you practice. That's just the main stuff. Your hands should be moving. It's like maths. Though I don't practice maths, it's like maths. When you stop, you forget all the maths you've learned before, except your, brainiac. I know, but that's just it for me. So if you want to remember or get better in your art, you have to practice. you can escape it. I tried escaping it. I did try escaping it. But at the end of the day, I came back. I haven't drawn references in a long time. And that's one thing that really helps any artist. If you're drawing human figures, you have to practice with references. A lot of references, not just one, not just two. You have to practice a lot. If you're drawing landscapes or vegetation, whatever, you have to practice with references. When you have a good grasp of it, I think it's grasp. Okay, if you have a good grasp or whatever they say, then you can start drawing from your head. Imagination. Your imagination is wide then, because you've already put some stuffs in it. The basic stuffs are in your head. So by that time you can draw as many fictional houses, landscape, trees, house, human people, whatever you want. You understand? Just practice. And please don't forget to subscribe to my page. I keep on saying page. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Are we good now? Yes. Very good. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. It's Blackmask out. You forget to say over.